So, but we're going to Battambang and
we're on our way to the second bus.
yeah, we just got off the bus. No, we got on about 8:30 and it's now 12:21 and we're going to another bus, but we're on my ticket first.
I think there are 3 buses altogether.
To get there and then there's another bus.
This is bus number 2?
Yeah, right. Bus number 2. So we're just leaving. We've got finally off the bus after about 12 hours of travelling, and we have the lovely chick man who's got James's name on a little thing, and he's just he's so cute.
Arrived at Green Mango. I'm going to give this a try. Been walking around and we haven't seen any other European, so I mean there are some at our hotel, yeah, but yeah, let's go in and give this a little try. The view outside is just a little bit too hot for us to be sitting out here, but so we're sat inside here with fans. But yeah, the view outside is amazing. So much greenery. But as I come out, there's a little bird flying off this tree. I'm not sure what fruit this is on the tree. Amazing. Food! We got exactly the same thing. Granola, yogurt, banana and dragon fruit.
They gave me a little pink bar and gave him a green bar.
Yeah.
I noticed the detail.
I think it costs $350, so a little bit more on the pricey side, but it is Cambodia, so. Let's see. This is the shopping mall. We finished our breakfast.
Granola.
Now we're going into the mall. Go and have a... No. Go and have a look. See what the shopping mall say. It's a very hot day. It's like going up to 36 degrees today. It said on the weather app. So we was like, we don't really want to do a lot. So let's just go and get some breakfast and check out the mall. And look, it's like a market underneath. That's why there was pictures of a market. It's cool, isn't it? What's the verdict?
What I was going to say was, we're like, although yesterday we didn't do anything apart from travel, but we were on a bus for 10 hours and a bus for 9 hours and a ferry for 45, it does take it out on you, and you feel like you just need to
rest. Turns out it's all a market. Like the whole shopping mall looks like it's just been overtaken by a market. It's crazy. This is what we're dealing with. So yeah. I think we'll make a swift exit very soon. Yeah. I'm gonna go see what the river is.
You want Jimmy Choo?
It's Ila.
You want Jimmy Choo? We got Jimmy Choo.
Versace.
Christian Dior. Everything.
So this is the Dragon Peace Garden. We're not having a lot of luck today. The shopping mall.
Is that the night market?
The shopping mall was more of a market, and now this is the statue or garden we've come to see.
Should I jump in the river?
Apparently the night market should be over here. I don't fancy getting ill, so I'm not going to jump in the river. I mean, you can.
No.
I want to go see that thing over there. That looks cool, that temple. Sorry, I meant no disrespect by that thing.
What thing?
The temple over there.
So I look like I'm in the attire?
Nah. I mean, maybe you could take a picture of it from the outside. Okay. I want to get a cool picture of that, but I don't think we're going to be able to go up to it. It's more of a construction site at the minute. Anything else? I mean, I probably could walk through there. What do you reckon? No? Leave it? Okay. Right, so now we're walking across the bridge. It's just a bit of walking around sightseeing today, because, and yeah, it's sweating hot, so we'll probably see this, we're going to show you in a minute, and then go home, go back to the hotel, because, I mean, we could probably go to the back caves tonight, but I think we're just going to smash it all in one day. with a little scooter because the scooter's $8, which is more than anywhere else we've been in Vietnam so far. Although we didn't check in Phnom Penh. And the tuk-tuk is $28. Huh? Cambodia, I mean. I don't know. If I said Vietnam, I meant Cambodia. But yeah, so $20 less to just get a scooter, so we're going to do that. So this is what we were talking about. How amazing is that? I think there's 4 heads on here, if I'm not mistaken, in, I think it's Buddhism. Yeah, it's 4 heads. So I'm sure there's one face here. I don't want to point, but there's one face at the front, 2 faces at the side, and 1 face behind. We would go in and check it out, but obviously Cam has got her shoulders up and we haven't got our cover up, so we're not going to go in there. But yeah, we're just going to look from afar, have a little butchers. Yeah, it does look amazing in there. We're going to Siem Reap next, so we're going to see plenty of temples. So much detail, the elephants. Amazing. We see the outside of the temple. We didn't want to risk going in there with Cam not having any coverage. Yeah, now we're walking through where we think the night market is later, that we might come back to for food. Yeah, walking through there now to just get back to the hostel or back to the hotel that we're staying in. Because it is so hot. It's not really one of, well, no, it's not really one of those days that you can just walk around all laxy daisy. Now we're at the Neck Ton, oh, I don't know,
got a
something
gold
garden.
face mask and everything.
It's got, yeah, gold face mask monkey.
And then I think it's a
this one,
triceratops.
Triceratops. Oh, is it? Oh, is it? How's it go?
Look at it.
We said we're going to introduce ourselves to the dinosaur because we see him. All the sightseeing today. Look at us, even on the way back we're sightseeing.
Are we on the right way?
Loads of construction going on. It's going to be...
Football boot in there.
I don't know.
It's a football boot.
Looks refreshing. I feel like there's a lot of work in place. They're trying to build it up. They're trying to get there, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we're back, and we've discovered that we've got a foosball going, or foosball, table. So yeah, we're gonna play some foosball. We're out again, and honestly, it's been such a different response. Like it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Everyone's finished work. The kids have finished school. So we have about 5 or 6 kids come up to us, high five us. All the locals are like looking at us like, oh my god, why are these people here? And like we've had grandmas pointing at us, we've had kids pointing at us. The kid just went. It was like, honestly, I feel like a circus act right now. I think I don't know whether people just come here and just do the bamboo train and do the thing and then go, like, so they don't really see them. Obviously, we've seen one other European couple walking around like us. So
we've seen 2 in the hotel.
it's a really cool statue. Yeah. So, but yeah, I just thought I'd come on and say that we're walking into a restaurant and it's just been such a funny experience.
It's been so bizarre.
But also, like, kind of scary at the same time. It's like, what? Are we doing something wrong? Do you know what I mean?
Like, what do you think our intention
it's probably sincere, like it is sincere, we know that, but it's like, I don't know, it's just weird.
It's just fine.
Yeah. So we just got to the restaurant.
We just got to the menus.
And this is the menu. I thought for a minute, this must be a cocktail menu. But they show the cooking class, they show the soft drinks, they show their main courses and starters. And yeah, the menu's on the bottle. How interesting. Starter, spring rolls. Ooh. Taste test. Taste disclaimer, it's got a bit of sweet chilli on it. Oh, really good.
So I got the classic vegetable fried rice and Jameson got chicken fried rice. Let's go.
So we're in Lucky Supermarket and we're feeling pretty lucky. 50% off because obviously they run out this month. So we're checking the date. But we've just found
these are my favourite.
Crown's favourite chocolate.
3,900.
Yeah, and then they run out of date. Not till the end of the month. Oh, balling. That's the same price as home. Pound. 5,000 is a pound, so it's actually cheaper than a pound. So it's probably not sensible, but as it's 50% and we haven't had any chocolate for a while, we're gonna treat ourselves to some home comfort. So I'm gonna get a bag of these, Cam's gonna get a bag of these, and yeah, we're just gonna have it off, because why not? Don't run out to the end of the month, so maybe get some packets of everything, because why not? We're out and we've got breakfast. This costs like $2.50 I think at Hop. Is there a sign? No, there's no sign. Well, yeah, we'll put it on the screen, and yeah, we're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna go and explore. We're not sure what temple we're gonna do yet, but we're gonna do one temple, bamboo train, and then the back coast tonight.
Something. Hi.
So we've just arrived. This is the bike here, and then I can't remember either. I think it was like Saddi, and then Sad. I don't know. But yeah, we'll be going down this train track that we've just driven over, which should be quite cool. They're just putting it together. Should I be open? Look how heavy that looks. Very strong. And we're off.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
So what he does is, he pushes that, and then when he stops it, he comes back and it slows down, and then this one bit down there is the bike.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other.
We're here. Cambodia's drinking a water. And this little cat's hungry, bless him. Meow, meow. Temple, I don't want to point. Pagoda's over there, and then there's a massive Buddha over there as well. So yeah, we're gonna go take some pictures, and then cool. It's not even 1 o'clock yet, so we've got loads of time. We'll probably end up going back to the hotel. Yeah, and then back out to the back coast. The meow for humans. The detail underneath is absolutely amazing. Try and zoom in. This is no, like the stone ones.
It's called.
I think it's made out of clay stone, and it was in. I think this one looks like it. Eknom Pagoda, and it looks like it was made around the time of Angkor as well.
Yeah, it's similar to, you know, where like the Tomb Raider one as well. It gives
yeah, I think they're all made around the same time. I didn't think I'd be seeing one until Siem Reap, but we had the time, so we thought we'll go and check it out. And it cost $1 each to get in. Or in Rio was under 10,000. Like 6 or 8,000. 8,000 probably. It's so mad that these were built like hundreds of. I don't know. I think these might have even built thousands of years ago. Like, seems like too much of a feat, doesn't it? But too much like for humans like that many years ago. But then when you think about it, they wasn't working. So
look, there's like detailing on here, and I think you can go up because I just saw someone up there. So.
Must be a way around the back.
Well, there's wood there, so.
I put the hat back because the sun is so much on my neck. It's so hot. Wow. feel like I'm in Angkor Wat already. Definitely going to do the sunrise, how hot it is now.
Yeah, I think I'm only kidding, disrespectful. It's a joke, guys.
I love the little details inside.
There's a bulldog, and the elephants, and then
Yeah.
like the dragon and snake.
You always see like the multiple. I wonder who. I need to learn about who these guys are that are holding like the rope, like holding up the temple. Servants, maybe. I don't want to be disrespectful, but I'm not sure. We'll find out on Angkor Wat, no doubt. There's a temple cat. And it's very hungry.
I haven't got any food. I'm sorry.
You're cute.
James, it loves me.
He knows you want to feed him.
I don't. I have no food. I'm sorry. I don't have any. I know. I can give
God
you some
bless you.
water. Yeah, I'll take you some running water.
He shut up then, didn't he? I just found out that from a little Google, I just found out that the Angkor times were like over 800 years ago. So you got to think what we just saw was built like over 800 years ago. It just doesn't seem true at all. It's just such a big project. Is what? Is that? Should we take our shoes off while we go inside? Should we just have a look? Wow. It's amazing. We're at the back caves. So the entrance fee over there. The entrance fee over there. You don't need to pay it because you're not going inside the cave. They try and get you to get a ticket, but we said we just want to sit on the street and watch the cave, and obviously we're going to buy a
And
drink.
we were looking online because I saw it said ticket room, and I was like, I swear it's free. And in one of the reviews it says, like, oh, you have to pay, it's only $1 I think, but you only have to pay $1, but we're sitting on the street, it's something natural, like you shouldn't have to pay, blah blah blah.
So we're just going to get a
So we
drink.
just told them that,
Yeah.
we're like, we don't, they're like, oh, if you're going in you need a ticket, we're like, we're not going in the cave, we're just going here. And they're like, okay.
So we're just going to get a drink from these guys so we can sit in their chairs and watch the bathtub.
Yep.
Watch it with us.
I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be
Last stop today, the Woodhouse restaurant. Give this a little try, and then and bus to Siem Reap tomorrow.